Before a client ever calls your office, they're researching you online. So this is for immigration lawyers who want to get that part right. So my name's Ian Almacy. I'm the founder of Immigration Finder. And for the past 6 years, I've worked closely with immigration law firms to help them attract and convert the right clients. Most immigration lawyers assume that trust is built during the consultation. But in reality, many clients have already decided whether they trust you long before that call happens. So in this video, I'm going to talk you through what actually builds trust online for immigration lawyers, what turns potential clients away, and how to position your firm so prospects feel confident reaching out before they even speak to you. Hey everybody, so this is how immigration lawyers build trust online and win better clients. So we're a practical playbook. I mean, once again, like when you're searching for a business, just think about the experience. Who do you want to work with? That's kind of the idea. So overall, build credibility. So educate, show up, serve. One thing, if you're watching this video, this is an example of content marketing working. So one thing, be radically transparent online, provide a lot of value, be yourself. When people get on the phone, that's one big thing that's nice about this is you can connect with the people without needing to do it personally before coming in. So consistency over virality. If you're an immigration lawyer, you're not really marketing to the masses. You don't have a product every person can buy. Like obviously you're selling beef jerky. There's more people that can eat beef jerky than need to file O1 cases. So one thing, be consistent. A small audience of really loyal buyers can make a big difference. So that's one thing. Community engagement. So really respond to people. Make a point to engage with it. Social media is an experience. Online's an experience. If they're asking questions, you might not know the context for it. And you can also answer the question and give them a way to contact you. So say, answer their question. Let's say they ask a question about, hey, I have a green card interview in 2 months. Like whatever the question is, like, hey, we have a blog on that. Here you go. If you want for information or some help, feel free to book a consult here, depending on if that's a case you want or willing to take. So one thing is just some platforms. Plan ahead. Like obviously for Laura, you got to plan ahead for stuff. Plan ahead for marketing too. There are a lot of tools that can help you schedule. Hootsuite and Buffer are two of them. I've used both of them. We offer a CRM that's specifically for intake for immigration law firms that has a scheduler in it. So one thing, get reviews. One thing about a lot of content is they'll see your video, people will Google you. This will also happen if you have paid advertising. People will see your ad and look you up online, watch for your YouTube videos and that. So that's a big thing. But have a system to track leads and nurture them and get reviews from people. And one thing, email nurture. Supposedly 2% of people are ready to buy on the first interaction, and 80% of the sales happen after the fifth touch point. Sometimes it's even more, because by the time someone reaches out to you, statistically, they're 57% of the way through the buying process. So that's a lot. The content can really help shorten that. So, be consistent, show up 2 to 3 times a week. Recording content for years is a big thing. If you're online, pretty much everybody has someone they follow that they pay attention to, and it's a big thing. And you'll also start getting referrals from referrals. So the 3 pillars of online trust. So have content that teaches, entertain and educate. You can make it funny. You don't have to, be a total stiff talking about things, but find something that matches your personality. You don't have to be disingenuous or anything. Just get consistent, get there. No one's like, if someone doesn't like the video, they're not going to mock you. They're just not going to watch it. And so that's that. You can look at your engagement statistics as, validity, actually seeing if that's there. So community, be present and helpful. Do it if you're doing lives, have someone there to help or answer the comments while you're there. And also give people a way to contact you. You're not just there to provide info. You can't just create a bridge to your firm, have a form to fill out from your CRM or phone number for them to call or text, some type of chat bot they can plug into. And next thing is consistency. So be there year after year. Just keep doing this. If you're going to commit to making content, building trust online, getting reviews, you probably don't want to be in business for 6 months. So don't just record content for 6 months. So on operational tools and automations. So if you really want to optimize your tech stack, be organized. Have a system for it. Notion and Asana, great project management tools you can use to organize things. If you want to hire someone that can help you with it, they'll probably have some type of platform or plan for you. So Google Drive, Canva, keep stuff in one place. Also, you can use a lot of the tools you already have. You probably have Office or Google Workspace or Dropbox or some type of tool for your firm. You probably have a PDF editor. You might be able to use that for design things or ebooks to give away. So that's that. So repurpose and publish. So one thing, let's say you're making a longer video, you can chop shorter segments out of it. That's something you can do. You can also do a live and then cut sections out of it. I'm sure you've seen a lot of these before if you're watching YouTube Shorts or Reels or something. It's something like that. But you can turn content into that. And then also there are a lot of tools that'll do this for you, where you can just kind of put the timestamps and it'll make that. YouTube and all these platforms check everything on the video for it. And one, automate with Zapier. Make a whole seamless experience, because if you're this warm, very inviting person on video, you message people back quickly, or someone from your team does. One thing, you want that to be congruent when they come to the firm. So, if they fill out a form, make sure that they get called quickly, make sure it's automated there. You also don't want to overwhelm your team, because you might do a live and get 50 leads, and one person who also does a lot of other things will have to take care of them. So that's a big thing there. So one thing, be confident, but be consistent. Be on there. But also you're going to get good on video from being on video. So define your voice and audience. So identify the persona of a few core people. If you're an immigration lawyer, you're probably not doing every type of case for every type of person. You might work with Latino professionals. You might work with, West African French speakers that are, in abusive relationships or filing for asylum, or someone in a vulnerable spot. But just remember that, like, even our brand, we only work with immigration lawyers. That's all we're going to continue doing. And so that's the thing there, is if, even if someone else watches this, that's our brand and message right there. So set a weekly cadence, make it a habit. All the time you would spend checking email on your phone, your texts, WhatsApp, reading something, scrolling, and make it a habit just to record a few quick videos. Then once you get in that, it'll be something there. But also, if you're a lawyer, you have the attention span to write for a few hours, go to court, you can make a few videos. Don't doubt yourself. So don't document, don't overproduce. Don't doubt the importance of just, making simple videos. If you get a question on a consult, you record something simple saying, hey, I just got a question I get asked a lot. A lot of people ask me about the work permit and filing their cases. And you can make a quick video about that. And you can record videos about the same topic too, if it's relevant, because people aren't going to see everything. That's that. But also, if you're getting started, get started. The point is to make these perfect videos. Even if you go back and look at these huge channels, like people like Mr. Beast, you look at their first videos, they weren't like they are today. They're not spending millions of dollars and have all this equipment. That's that. And overall, automate the distribution and follow up. So use Zapier, make.com. You can manage, all sorts of things. People can fill out a form, submit it in there. Just be organized. It's one thing. But also, if you're organized, you're going to make more money. That's kind of that. If you want to post online, that's the point of it. And if you're ready to build and scale, feel free to schedule a call with us. My name's Ian. I'm from Immigration Finder. I started this company. This is me at the AILA Miami conference in 2024. I founded the business. And if you really want to get into this, feel free to go to immigrationfinder.com/schedule. You can learn more about us. Feel free to poke around my channel. Look me up on LinkedIn. We're very active on there. But we only work with immigration lawyers like you. If you're an immigration lawyer watching this, we look forward to talking to you. So feel free to subscribe, schedule a call, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.